Today we installed our hinges. We used this really long one and voila! Now our bench top opens up.
Okay, ma?
Put your...
It is nighttime and we are connected to our power. Woo, woo, woo. There is Joe and there's Pancho. The light is right there. Right here.
Impact.
Hello guys and good morning. Today we are possibly getting our shower in our our cabinets, our top cabinets. So right now in the meantime I am putting some filler in these little cracks. Here comes the bathtub, here comes the bathtub, here comes the bathtub. Here's a fiberglass bathtub. Needs to be pushed in. Hopefully it'll fit. We made a mold for it. ¿Lo tienes que cortar? ¿Por qué?
Porque está muy alto.
¿Un poco?
Pero no mueble el tubo.
Uncle is helping us put ready mix under our bathtub so that it sits well and it doesn't crack when we step on it because it's fiberglass, so it's very, very thin. And he's just spreading it around. This thing will harden and it'll protect our beautiful bathtub from cracking, breaking, because we have a big one over here. So
Open, man.
here's the fiber. The fiber is going in. Finally. Uh-oh. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's awesome. Oh, look at that.
What?
Ooh la la.
Dile que ocupo los screws.
Holy hell, it is installation time. Oh, this feels so good. Cabinet installation time.